Good morning, YouTube. It's Friday. We finally made it to the end of the week. And for some people, they don't like the end of the week because the end of the week means that the market is closed. For others, they may paper trade crypto or they may, be in crypto and be trading that this weekend. But for me, my Friday so far, at least on these computers, have been horrible. My computer was acting up. I had to shut it down. God, I feel so unprepared right now, but I'm gonna still try to get y'all right because I still know where this market is at right now, and what we could be potentially doing. So I'm gonna start with Hobbs' NQ plan to start out the day. So let's go ahead and let's look at NQ real fast. So his plan on NQ, the macro is the market was waiting at the time he wrote this. The market was waiting on NFP news. We now know what that news was, which it was bullish for the market. But the overnight session has been strong, consolidating. That appears to once again favor the bulls. With no new lows created, I'm anticipating a push to all-time highs. 18,254 will likely be key for me today, as price seems to have found strong support there. So at 18,254, you can see this box that Hobbs drew right over here. This is where the market tapped into a couple times, and I think, correct me if I'm wrong, Hobbs, but it tapped in there again for the NFP news before taking off, right? Oh, to the bottom of this wick right here. Gotcha. Okay. Okay. Gotcha. So this Hobbs told me that this support box that he had, he actually drew it all the way down. He just didn't want to have the chart looking a little bit extra messy, so he made it a lot smaller. But NFP did come back down to this box, touch, and then rally. So really nice level right here that Hobbs found. So for the bullish plan, he wants to look for a bullish break and retest above all-time highs, 18,378, and look to target the moon. Whatever that means. I don't know the definition of the moon when it comes to the market, so y'all gonna have to join the Discord and ask Hobbs yourself if you want to know what the moon means. If you know what the moon means, then you know, right? All right, next bullish plan, look for buyers to defend support at 18,254 to about 18,231, and we can look to long the market targeting 1 hour supply at 18,315 to about 18,378. So that's if we come back down here and retest the support. I don't know if we're gonna do that today because we're looking rather bullish, but hey, anything can happen, right? Now the last bullish, yeah, you got to plan for it, even if you don't think it's gonna happen. The last bullish plan is look for buyers to defend the 1 hour demand at 18,125 to 18,905. And we can look to long the market targeting 18,231. Previous support, turn resistance at 18,231 to 18,252. So that would be back up here. Yeah. So basically, I'm saying that this support right here would be resistance. And then the bearish just look to short week rallies into 1 hour supply at 18,315 to 18,378, and to look to target support, which would be this box right here. The only other thing I would add to this plan is maybe a break and retest of this support area as well. So if we were to sell off and you missed the initial sell off, you could wait for the break and the retest of support turning into resistance, and then, oh, is that in the plan? Oh, there's an orange box I missed. Never mind. He was on it. Okay. The other bearish plan is to look for a break and retest of the support box, like I was just saying, and target the demand. Hell yeah. It's funny how our minds work. They're the same. Okay, cool. So, yeah, break and retest of the support, targeting this demand down here. Plan is very, very solid. Exactly the same plan that I would write. It's crazy. It's insane. I feel a little stupid for what I think what threw me off is the orange color of the box. I think Gotcha. Gotcha. Okay, and then for my ES plan, um, and guys, just to say one thing real fast, these ES plans are on the old contract. The contracts just rolled over today or yesterday. So if you're looking at the continuous chart, you're going to see different prices than what I'm discussing today. Both Hobbs and I are both charting off of the H contracts. So I think it's the March contract is what we're charting off of. So if you're a little confused about the numbers, just know that we're trading off the March contract. I believe our book map is still on March contracts, and I know for a fact that Top Step, at least for X, is still using the March contract. So until they switch over to the new contracts, until something, either book map or the Top Step X for me switches over to the new contracts, I'm gonna stay on the old ones. Just so you guys know, just so you're aware, just in case you guys, and I'll probably have to remind people if they ask me a question about it, if like, oh well, my number is different. That's why the number is different. Just a heads up. But so for me, if you guys remember, yesterday I was in this banger long trade down here, right? I'm a toot my horn, but that was yesterday. It doesn't really matter. Today's today, right? But this level actually ended up holding perfectly overnight when we touched for NFP, which I think is fire. On top of that, yesterday when we sold off on the tape, I saw a really big buyer in the market, and once we got below him, sellers kept defending this level here at 51.65. So for today, that's really my key level, especially because looking at this overnight, it continued to be kind of respected. And so, and even on the initial rally, we rejected that level and then came back underneath it before finally getting above it. And now it looks like we're kind of consolidating. So my plan on the day is I want to retest 51.65 first. I want to see if we come back down and retest this level, and I can look to long the market back up. I personally don't think we're going to get back down to this box at 51.41. Although if we do get back down there, I'd be looking for longs as well. And then like on Hobbs' plan, because this was support, if we break it, then I can play a break and retest off of this area as well, coming back down. Now, the other thing that I wanted to mention is that ES is in this like rising wedge-ish kind of pattern where you can see that every time we hit it, we get a nice rejection back down, right? So we came down, we came down, we came up, we came down, we came up to it, we bounced here, we bounced off of it twice, came back down, bounced off of it again down here, and now we're back up at the height of this wedge right here. So price has been kind of squeezing as it's been coming up on its higher highs and higher lows. So we just tapped this area yesterday. If we come down to like a 45 minute, we just tapped this area yesterday. And so if we can't break above this area, then we're going to come back down and retest the lows of this wedge that we're in before potentially coming back up and kind of doing this like squeezing thing until, the market either breaks to the upside or squeezes to the downside. So just something to watch on an overall like larger time frame. Other than that, I really don't have too much of a bearish plan, just because, I mean, let's be honest, the bears are very short-lived. Everything that they do is small. So I don't want to look for shorts unless we break below here, this area, and then come back and retest it. I don't want to look for shorts, right? I only want to be in long mode, and that's just to go with the trend, right? I think we could end up pulling back today, but I want to see structure break first. I want to see this area be tested. I don't want to just be in short just because we've been rallying or we're at all-time highs, nothing like that. I need to see structure break. New headphones? No, they're the same headphones. Oh, wait, no, they're the same headphones. Why? Why do you ask, SB? Hopefully you guys can hear the music. I have a whole story about my computer, but I'll tell you guys after I'm done with the plan. And if the selling is egregious today, if this long doesn't hold here, then I'd be looking for longs here, but I would want to short the market first. So that's pretty much my plan on the day on ES. And then I went through Hobbs NQ plan. I think structurally we're in a pretty interesting area. on both. Oh, they look cool. Oh, yeah, no, they're just they're like gaming headphones. They're the ones I always wear. But thanks, appreciate it. But yeah, that's my plan on the day. That's what I'm gonna be watching. So, good morning, John. How's it going? Void, good morning. What's up, SB? Looks like we got about 16 people watching on the YouTubes and about 11 people watching on X right now. So appreciate each and every one of y'all for being here. Can you guys hear the music? Let me know if you can hear the music, and tell me if the music's okay, because I can't hear the music. So this morning I was in the Discord talking to Hobbs, and I went to go use my my charts, and my charts was doing this weird thing where it was making like this like blue box. And I was like, damn it, man, I can't move my chart around. I can't do anything with it. Like, I'm gonna go restart my computer. So I went to restart my computer. It took forever. Music is perfect. Okay, cool. I went to go restart my computer, and I was like, dope, the computer's restarted. Get back in here. I get back into the Discord, and I can't hear Hobbs' voice at all. Like, he's talking to me, and I can't hear him. I'm like, yo, what's going on? Like, I literally haven't touched anything. Like, I don't know what's going on. And so I ended up plugging my my headphones into my mic, so I can hear now, but I can't hear the music. So I can hear people talking to me, but I can't hear the music, which really sucks. What's up, bud? How's it going? Okay, yeah, good. Okay, so as long as you guys can hear it, that's good. Low of day, low of week, low of day just paid out. How do you know it's the low of day yet? The day's not even over with. I'm not saying. Look. I Bravo Jones is dope, right? He be calling the low of day, high of day, and that is where you should be looking for a reversal, because it's powerful, right? A lot of people are trying to reverse the market there, or well, they reverse the market there to pick up that liquidity, and also a lot of retail traders are trying to continue the trend and short it, where they should actually be looking for longs, right? But my only thing is it's like 9:10, 9:15 maybe. Like, he said the day started at 5 p.m. Okay, Bravo Jones, you got it. You got it. Yeah. That's true. That's true. It probably is a low of day. I was like messing with them. But yeah, the NFP news was pretty big. I mean, now we're just consolidating. Yeah. That's true. I normally look at the low of day as the New York session, but that's true. That's a good point. I agree with that. I agree with you, Bravo Jones. I agree with you. You're gonna get no fight from me on your logic there. It's pretty sound. 5 p.m. to 5 p.m. I told y'all check out the market maker. All facts, no cap. I mean, all facts and all caps, because that's how you type. You only type in all caps. I feel like you're yelling at me. Bro, it really sucks. Can you please play some music? Because I can't hear nothing. I need some music, please. Yes, please play something in Discord so I got something, because I can't hear nothing. Yes, please. All right. SB says Nvidia to 1,000. Look, I don't care what it is at this point. I'm not talking for 3 hours with no music whatsoever. Bro, I almost joked. One of our Discord members is over here joking House for his music selection. He said I'm leaving and going to the go. He look. Full disclosure, y'all, he playing Ariana Grande in the Discord, just so y'all know. So y'all can judge his jailhouse ass if y'all want to. He over here playing Ariana. All right, SB. Let's look at young Nvidia. Let's see. I know Hobbs actually mentioned it this morning to me as well that they got the price upgrade. And there we go. Yeah, they do. Let me bring my four-way screen back for a second. Let me put all the let me put these stocks up here. Let's go Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon. Woo! Ooh. I need the music. You better not. Don't play with me. How am I gonna play music on my phone? They're gonna hear me. Good morning, wife. How you doing, wifey? Good morning. No, that's good. You're good. Well, I mean, if you go play Ariana Grande, that's on him. I didn't tell him to do that. Hey, I mean, the song's not bad. It's not a bad song. So judgy. Oh, what's good, Malik? It's been so long. I'm gonna deafen y'all for a minute. All right, so on Nvidia, let's see what trading view gave us a price target now, because it just moved by the last price target. I don't know why their price target says it's gonna be 893, but I did hear about the upgrade to 1,000, and yeah, I mean, hell, we're only $50 away. We can be at 1,000 by next week, honestly. So, I mean, I don't. This thing could literally get to like 1,500, honestly, which would be insane. Should have been buying Nvidia. Should have faded every other stock and just bought Nvidia like 2 years ago. Oops. Let's see. Let me go to the daily. Could you imagine? Could you imagine in like 2019 just buying Nvidia at like $15? Bravo Jones says, I would say sell the high of the week and just keep that stop loss tight. Yeah, I mean, well, we're at the highs now, so I'm not selling the high because I think this thing can continue to push, especially if the stocks are continuing to go. So I'm not messing with this. I mean, we literally look at Nvidia. This is nuts, and it's doing it on increasing volume too, which is also pretty insane as well. Yeah, this is crazy. Yeah, I'm not fading these stocks. I will not do it. I I did it yesterday. It was a mistake, and I'm not doing it today. It's either gotta break below some key levels for me to short, or something. I'm not saying I won't short the market. I will. I'm just not willing to short it up here. Like right now, I'd be looking to, like we just consolidated. I like that. I would be looking to long this market once we get back down to this area. See if we defend. If we don't defend and we continue and we eat up all this, we get down to 51.41. We break and retest. I'll short it then, because then we just broke this structure right here. And it's a big structure to break. So that's what I'd be open to shorting. And on NQ, would be pretty similar. I'm on the continuous chart right here. Well, but also NQ is rejecting supply right now, so that's pretty key. I don't know why is this so yellow or so red. Actually, we just rejected all-time high, which is kind of nuts. But Voice says Hobbs need to play music in Discord, but the member chooses the song you will hear. Let's see what they talk about right now. Oh, he's okay. He's showing them how to see the other contracts, not the continuous contracts. But yeah, it looks like we're rejecting. ES made a new all-time high. I'll go ahead and mark this as the new all-time high. Mark this kind of, yeah. I'll mark this right here. It's yellow, all-time high. And then I'll make this yellow. All right, just kind of wait and see what happens now. Next week, bro, it went up $30 yesterday. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So I mean, it's probably not going to go up another. It's probably not going to go up $75 today, but by next week it'll probably be up to 1,000. All right, you don't think? Oh well, I guess another $50 today. I mean, if it goes up another $50 today, I mean that's $75 total, I guess. Then that'll be nuts. I don't think I've ever seen a stock run $75 in a day. At this, well, maybe Tesla. Other than Tesla, I don't think I've ever seen a stock run $75 in a day, like that. But at $1,000, that should be the wall. Like I think that'll be a wall for Nvidia where they'll probably look to sell. That's where they want to bring it to. That nice round hole number, it'll be nice. Be nice. So we'll see. Man, all my charts are messed up right now. Let's see. Let's go here. Yeah, we finally got that sell-off on VIX yesterday after we rallied all day, even though the market rallied. We finally got the sell-off, so that's interesting. What up, Twice? How's it going? Oh man, wait, he stopped playing his. Wait, I deafened myself. That's why I can't hear the music. All right. Let's see here. We got about 10 minutes before the market opens. Oh my God, not having music sucks. No, I can hear your music now. I had you deafened, so I couldn't hear nothing. And then I realized I couldn't hear nothing, and it got worse. I was like, no. On TradingView too, there's also a thing at the bottom that tells you when the contract's going to switch. There's like a little alert thing. I think it's gone on here now though, but it's normally at the bottom. Go to the daily. That's weird. Oh, here it goes right here. See, if you look at my screen, at the bottom it says so the contract expires on the 15th of March. So normally, like, so that's the actually that's another good point. Thanks, Hobbs, for bringing this up. The market today is probably going to be a little extra volatile because the contract change happened yesterday. A lot of big institutions are going to be rolling over their positions into the new contract, which means they got to sell out of the old contract and then buy into the new contract, or vice versa. So today could be kind of extra volatile with like extra choppiness, just because of the fact that a lot of people are going to be selling their position to re-enter into a new position. So all right, I'm gonna have to play my own music. That's what I have to do. So I feel like 90% of the time I'm probably gonna mute them because Hobbs is also talking to them. That's gonna be hard for me to talk to them and talk to y'all. But I'm not. I'm gonna play. I'll listen to some J. Cole, and then y'all get to hear whatever music that is on the stream. I gotta fix this. This is super annoying. Super annoying. All right, I'm just waiting for the market to open at this point. We can check out. I can't even hear. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Oh, I can't even hear it. No. Okay, computer. Bro, you can just add a bot to Discord that will play music. I don't know how to do all that, Boyd. I'm not that Discord technical. Dang, I just realized that. Oh man. Oh, it's good. Whatever. I'll just be a big boy and deal with it. Let's look at CL real fast. I want to see what CL's been up to. Looks like we're kind of bouncing off of demand over here on CL. It's not too bad. Kind of struggling though at VWAP. So see if CL wants to continue to sell off. Kind of just in like a balanced range right now between 77.93 and 31. So we did put it in that lower high there, though. We weren't able to come back up to the highs off this bounce. So that's pretty interesting. That shows a little bit of weakness on CL, on oil. Let's see, GC for gold. God, gold. Gold just ripped through all types of supply. Man. You could have swung gold for like 40 points. That'd have been a massive W swinging gold. I'm gonna put this here. If we ever come back down to this level, this area, definitely would be looking for longs. Other than that, this move was like pretty tight up. We kind of consolidated here a little bit, shot up, came back. It looks like non-farm roll kind of affected gold, but not in the way I would have wanted to see. Let's move this over. Yeah, I'm liking how we're consolidating down here on ES this morning. If we go to the tape real fast, we're consolidating really nicely down here. So we pulled back kind of to my area where I was looking at. We're holding above 6.5 right now on ES, and we're just kind of consolidating over here. So I really like that from the tape. I really like this consolidation. I would like to see. I don't know how many sellers are right here, but I would like to see some big sellers come into the market down here trying to sell us off. We kind of have a nice negative delta down here as well. So it could be some absorption going on in this area. So if we start to see some aggressive buying, maybe look to take this long. But like I said, I'm gonna wait for market open. We're only 3 minutes away from market open, so no reason to really rush anything. Whew. Let me check and see what they're talking about. Yep, still talking. And it's Friday today, so being patient going to be pretty key. I'm going to change this color. It's blending too much in the other yellow. I'm going to change this to purple. There you go. It's a little better. Let's see. NQ struggling a bit too, but it's looking okay. Yeah. Today should be a pretty interesting day. If we can break above all-time highs on NQ, then ES will probably rally along with it. So we'll see. We're about 2 minutes away from market open. I'm ready for market open. Ooh, we just flushed through that clean flush through. Oh, strong selling right there. Strong, very strong selling. Oh man, if this gets bought up, if they buy this up, y'all, if they buy this up, I may take it early long. I'm not even gonna lie. Nope, never mind. Never mind. Jesus, look at the selling coming in. Oh man, there's a lot of selling right there. They can still reclaim it for me though. They can still reclaim it. They got to reclaim above 65. They got to give me 2 points. We got market open here in about 14 seconds. Definitely don't want to be in 2 contracts. I only want to be in 1. All right, and the market is open. Dang, they ate that rate up too. Oh, this is about to be bullish. They ate all that selling up right there. Let's see if we get that continued buying though. This is like the same look we got yesterday. Pulled right back in. Mm. This is the same exact look we got yesterday. Very curious to see what we do though. It's like we're rejecting the high. We just rejected the high of this candle right here. See if we continue going down lower. There wasn't a lot of strong buying that hit the tape. Like I would have wanted to see if we're going to continue, but see what happens. Some stronger buying starting to come in. See if we continue to push. Let's check NQ. Yeah, NQ looks pretty much the same. Oops. Oh, Apple's ripping off demand right now. If Apple can get going like it did yesterday, which funny enough, looking at Apple, we rallied, but we gave it all back by the end of the day. But if Apple can get going and the rest of the stocks can get going like they did yesterday, this could be pretty good day. Although I wonder, we got this double bottom on Amazon, and I wonder if Amazon's going to come back, retest this double bottom, and then decide to push. Even though we kind of did that yesterday, but yeah, it looks like the stock market might want to go again. This might be another trip. It might be another trip. Because ES is already catching a bid. And I mean, I guess if that's the case, the only other thing I could do if I want to long the market is wait for us to get above all-time highs, wait for us to get above this trend line that we've been kind of following, come back and retest it, and then take the market long. Could do that as well. I'm gonna keep saying this. Check out the market makers. High of the day, high of the week, low of the day, low of the week. It's a repeat cycle. I mean, yeah. So, but you're short bias up here, right? Because we're at the highs, right? Like this is, I mean, obviously we just made a new high, all-time high. So, I mean, yeah, I mean we can keep going up. I mean, if we come down, that's fine too. I just don't want to short up here. Like, yeah, we got this nice consolidation right here. So, if the market's gonna reject, if the market's gonna make a higher, put in its first lower high, it's gonna be off this consolidation, right? So, I mean, on a lower time frame, we already did, but for me to get short and be like longer term bearish, I need to see this level get broken through, because we got one bounce and then we got two bounces. So this is clear support right here. So I need this level to be broken and then retest it, act as resistance, and then I can look to take the market short. Sorry, was it here at market open, not while opening though? Yeah, no, it's not too wild. We're just kind of consolidating, but right now it looks like the market wants to continue going up currently. Currently, the market's looking like we're going to rally and potentially push above all-time highs. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. I mean, I wouldn't be opposed to taking the market short up here, but I just think it'd be a lot better to take the market short after we break through this resistance. Other than that, I'm just going to stay long bias. I'm not going to short the market up here. So, man, I see. It's because I didn't ring the bell. Yeah, you should have rang that bell. Should have got long down here. This was a really nice long at open. It's just so hard for me to trust open. It's just so hard. It's just so hard. Yeah, now NQ starting to rally as well, back into supply. Let's see what they're talking about. Oh, you're watching the tape. All right, yeah. All right, so I'm pretty much just waiting now. Yeah, this thing is going. This thing is going, gone. See what we do though. See if we continue to push. Oh, either way, my level worked out. So I mean, we're about 5 points from my level. We had really strong buying. We dipped back down to that level. Well, we dipped back down, continued to buy. So it's all good. I'm just gonna let this dust settle. The only thing I can do now is allow for this trend to break and then get the retest. But I want to see a full break. If we reject and we come down lower, then I want to see all of this end up getting taken out before I look to short the market. But this is looking very, very, very bullish. So check on the stocks. Yeah, Nvidia rallying. Look like we're trying to put a base. Apple's rallying. Amazon's trying to rally. Ooh, NQ just dumped though. Oh my god. Look at NQ. NQ is dumping. Oh, there's a higher low on NQ. Dang, NQ dump. Dang. This is a 37.5 minute candle. Whew. Oh, are we gonna do this thing? Are we gonna do this thing today where ES is really strong and NQ is not? Is that what we're playing? Is this what we're playing today? Bravo. What do you mean by that? Bravo. Did I say Bravo? I don't know. I don't know. If I said Bravo, I don't know what was in context to you. Look at we're not playing these games today, right? We're not gonna play the game where ES is really strong and NQ isn't. We're not doing that today. Bravo Jones. Is this a joke? I feel like this is a joke. I feel like something's going on with the joke in this. I don't get it. I feel like this is a joke. This is a joke, Purple Haze. Is this supposed to be funny? I don't know what he means either, boy. Now I'm trying to figure it out. I'm confused. This better not be one of those days where ES kind of just holds and NQ wants to dump. I think that happened. When did that happen? Like Wednesday or no? Was I here Wednesday? No, I think it was Monday. I think on Monday something similar to this happened where ES was rallying and NQ was dumping, but it wasn't like ES was getting a crazy rally, but it was just holding really, really strong compared to NQ. And this is looking like one of those days. What is going on? Oh, Bravo. Oh, Bravo Jones. Got you. Said high of day. High of day, low of week, or whatever. Okay. So what Bravo Jones is saying is because we're at the high of the week, because I mean this Friday and we made new all-time highs. And I mean NQ basically tapped all-time highs and rejected. He's looking to short the market because what ends up happening is a lot of people expect for high of days, low of days to break, and that's their confirmation. Like their confirmation is as soon as we get above the high of day, I'm long in the market. As soon as we get below the low of the day, I'm shorting the market. High of the week, short of the week, same thing. Like or high of the week, low of the week, same deal. Where they get long, speculating the market's going to continue, and that's basically a retail trap, right? Where a lot of the times we should be looking for shorts because that's the best area to trap the opposite party. Not to mention, if you look at the market like like an auction, right, or like a store or whatever, when you go to buy something, you want to get a deal on it. You want to buy it at the best price. You don't want to buy it when it's too expensive, right? So at all-time highs, we're at the most expensive price it's ever been at. So why would you buy it up there, right? It's better to sell the market when we're up at all-time highs, right? Unless more people want to continue buying. it's the same concept at the high of the day or the low of the day, right? Why am I gonna want to sell the market at the lowest point it's been at all day when it's on sale for the cheapest price it's gonna be all day? You should want to buy it there, not think it's gonna continue going down. So that's what he's saying when he's saying, you should want to trade the high of the day, the high of the low of the day, the high of the week, the low of the week, and to fade that, because that's in my brain, that's how it works, and that's the best thing to do. However, as ES still continues to look much stronger than NQ, however, in these situations, what I like to see is if we're gonna come and retest high of day, right, which is where we're coming to right now, I want to see us break through high of day, and I want to see us break through pretty aggressively, and I want to see us trade away pretty far. If you're an ICT trader, they call it like displacement. Like they want to see displacement from price, but that's just basically a fancy way of saying they want to see price move pretty far away, generally from a key level. And the reason why they want to see that is because let's say price just peaks its head above and then immediately falls under. Well, you don't want to then try to long the market like right here, because we didn't get far enough away. Basically, price didn't accept over this level is basically what they're saying, right? They want to see it move very far away. So what I want to see is I want to see price trade away and then come back and retest, showing that buyers still want to defend the all-time high. And plus I have this pretty key trend line up here as well. So if I see that, then I can take the market long, speculating that we're going to continue moving up. That's the only way I'm getting long up here, though. And like, if we don't come back down and retest it, then I just don't want any part of longs. I probably won't even trade today. If we don't get above this level, come back and retest it and hold, and then I can take the market long. I don't really want to trade long at all-time highs, because then you're just basically asking people to continue buying after you, and that's just it. I'd rather just stay capital at that point. Like I'll trade on Monday. So that's the way I'm kind of looking at this right now. I'm waiting to see whether or not we can get above here. My seller's line right here ended up being perfect, so need to trust my level a little bit more there, because basically the same thing that happened yesterday at my key level happened today. We pulled back into it. I even called it out. We pull back in, we retest this level, we find buyers, and then we rally. I mean, work to a T. So it's just very, very interesting that NQ is weak right here. That's kind of concerning, right? I would want to see NQ also be strong. And then, like, Apple's looking pretty good right now. Oh, this is on a 30-minute. Let me go to 5. And this is on a 1. Okay, a little bit better picture here. Okay, so Microsoft is kind of selling off. Amazon's kind of selling off. So maybe because these two are selling off, maybe that's why NQ is a bit weaker right now on the day, because these two stocks. So let's check VIX. And then VIX is not dumping right now either. So I don't know. ES is showing a ton of strength right now. ES is showing a ton of strength. Let's see what they're talking about. What are y'all talking about? Yeah, it's weird because ES is very, very strong. This is what I was telling them on Discord. It's very weird. It's just weird that NQ is weaker than ES. But one thing that I did notice about the stocks is that Microsoft and Amazon are both selling down, but Apple's getting that pump. So I mean, yeah, y'all might get down to y'all support before ES does, honestly, but ES is still pumping. I think I'm gonna go against my better nature. My better nature is to want to short up here, but I'm not gonna do it. I really want to, I really want to try to see weakness, but forget all that. Like, I'm gonna wait, and if ES can break below 40, 41.32, I'll look for shorts there. But until then, I'm not, because ES just looks so strong. Like, we're still rallying. I mean, we're up 14 points above where I was looking to get long initially. This is nuts. ES is breaking all-time highs right now. Just so everybody's aware, ES is over here breaking all-time highs again. I don't know. Oh, Hobbs already got back in. Don't even worry about it. Yeah. Yeah. Nah. I think the market is also going up. Nah, I agree. I think the market's going up too. I think we're definitely going up. I don't think we're coming down. I mean, ES is already above all-time highs. So again. Ooh. Yeah, I definitely missed my entry, but now I'm just waiting for us to push up a little bit higher, come back down, retest, and then go. So this is my plan. So I'm waiting on now. Dang. Bravo Jones says, just check out Steve Morrow, beat the market makers, backtested markup each week, and then keep the chart on the 15. Oh. No, he's talking to he was talking to Purple Haze. Purple Haze. Man, I should have longed this. It's too late, Bravo Jones. It's too late. Everybody's gonna say that they're bullish. It's too late for all that. Man, I'm not. You should have. Yeah. I literally had my area. I need to trust it, but sometimes it's hard when it's like the morning volatility. I don't know. It's a little tough for me. It's all good though, because we're breaking above now. So if we break and retest the all-time high, then I'm cool with it. I'll get long. But yeah, I had this market dead to rights this morning again, but that's all good. Just makes me feel more confident in my levels. I could have played my level, and I mean, be up almost 20 points right now if I would have got in basically at market open. Jesus. If I would have got in at market open, yeah, it's 20 points to the high right now. It's nuts. But it's all good. I'm not tripping. I'll just wait and be patient. There'll be another trade. I mean, like, it's kind of weird. Like, I don't feel FOMO. Like, I'm not feeling FOMO by missing this move at all. Like, I'm more like proud that my plan worked out. I didn't take it, but like seeing the plan work out is still like cool. So in that regard, like I'm cool with it. But for there to be continuation on this, NQ, oh god, NQ's got to get above all-time highs as well. So if NQ can get above all-time highs, then we should see some continuation here. We still haven't gotten one red candle yet on ES. So let's see what happens. See, right now we just kind of poked our head above. all-time highs, but I want to see us hold. So we'll see. Maybe if we get some aggressive selling back into all-time highs and we hold, I'll look to take the market long, speculating we're going to go higher. Because the one thing that we did get there is we got a full body close above, which is really bullish. So now let's see if we get some aggressive selling to come into the market and then try to long the market up from here. I think I can get a quick like 15-point scalp or so, even from this level. So let's see what happens. But I do want to see some selling. But yeah, there's no reason to short the market. So at this point, let's just see if we come down. Hold on a pullback. And then come up 150. I don't know. Let's check. Is there any more? I don't think there's any more news today. I think that was the only news. Let's see. Yeah, there's no more news. News is all out. So we're getting some strong buying coming in at that low right there. Some more strong buying coming in at the low. It looks like they want to eat this right back up. Let this 5-minute candle play out, but there's some really strong buying coming in down here. Really strong buying. Not a lot of aggressive selling, which is kind of interesting. But I think we want 51.97. That wouldn't be a bad level. All right, we're still holding. Here comes a push. I just want to see like some consolidation or something. I mean, I guess we're kind of getting that consolidation now. So just gonna be patient and wait. That's a big seller that just came into the market. 388 lots. He did absolutely nothing. Maybe that was profit taking or something. He did nothing to this market. Let me check the 1-minute chart real fast. Oh, yeah, we're just like rounding back up right here. Probably about to go. We got 5 minutes left. I'm hoping to see like we got a minute left. What I'm hoping to kind of see here is I'm hoping to see like maybe one more dip down while we're trying to kind of collect some orders here. I just don't want to. I'm just hoping that we don't pop. I don't want to see a pop up, like an aggressive pop up. Well, let's see. Let's see if I were to. How much points are there? 3 and some change ish to make see. Oh, yep, there's the pop up. Let's see, 5197. All right. I want to see an aggressive sell down, but I don't think we're going to get it. Yeah, no, they're still buying this. I guess that was the little pullback that I was going to get. They're still going to buy this up. Yeah, well, that's unfortunate. That's really unfortunate. These bulls are going ham to the upside right now. I just want to see some type of pullback or something. But yeah, they're going for it. These buyers are looking strong. Yeah. Whatever. It's all good. It's all good. I'll just wait and see. Wait and see if you come back down. Let's see what they're talking about. Oh. You still in your trade? Hobbs? Oh, no, I'm... Oh, okay. He's feeling froggy, so he decided to leap. Yeah, I'm just waiting. All right, yeah, because y'all just broke over all-time highs. ES is over all-time highs. Yeah, I'm just waiting to see if we get a nice break and retest. Well, we got the break. I'm waiting on the retest. There's like been no selling. Yeah, y'all. Dang, yeah, y'all crushing it. Yeah, unfortunately, I'm feeling FOMO. I'm feeling FOMO. Oh, I'm not doing nothing. I'll lose money. I ain't doing nothing. No, my plan is to let this retest all-time highs. It better come back. I mean, if not, it's fine. Yeah, ES is above all-time highs by about almost 10 points now. Yeah, ES has been ES started ES never dropped. Like we hit literally, I called out 5165. I called that out. We came back down, retested it, got below it and reclaimed it, but it was right at open. And I don't know, I have a hard time trusting open, but I really should have, because we came back down and we rallied. And now the only thing that I have is just come back and retest all-time highs. I mean, we broke above it clean. We came back down, but we didn't tap it. I want to see it like tap there. I mean, the market doesn't have to be perfect, so whatever. Like it didn't happen, but I'll wait and see. If we get the retest, then I'll take it. But if not, then I probably just won't trade, because at this point the market is too overextended for me to just long it all willy-nilly up here. And I don't want to short this. That's how I got myself in trouble the other day, with shorting the market. So I'm not going to do that. So, cash is a position too. And, I'd rather just sit on my hands and not take a trade than to try to force something and it not work out. Oh my God. Yep. This thing is moving and grooving. Oh, leap his ass at low of day, low of week. What are you talking about, Bravo Jones? You gotta tell. What do you mean? You gotta. What do you? I don't know what you mean. What do you mean at low of day, low of week? Are we like well above low of day, low of week? Like the low of the week is all the way down at Look at this wick. Oh my god. NQ's wick is serious. What the? Oh Lord Jesus. All right. Isn't the low of the week is down at 18 8 wait, let me go to this is not the right chart. Well, whatever. The point is the same. It doesn't matter. But the low of the week is all the way down here. So we're like really far away. We're probably like, I don't know, what, 600 points away right now from the low of the week, which is insane. Man, you could have just sat there and just longed NQ and just held it the entire week and just, well, after Monday. Yeah, we're up 600 points damn near from the low of the week. I could be up 15. I could be up 15 down. Sell that. LOL. Don't be scared. What? Sell what? There's nothing to sell. The market is going crazy right now. What is there to sell? There's nothing to sell right now. The only thing we're above the. I mean, at some point we'll sell off. I don't know when though. But I can't time. You can't actively time this when everybody's euphoric and buying the market. Oh my god. Holy. Yeah, it's still pumping. Hold up a second, guys. I'll be right back. Hold up 1 second. I'll be right back in the Discord. Hold up. I'm gonna mute you guys for a second too on YouTube. Hold up a second. Oh my god. Yeah. I'm 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 so after what I just learned, I'm so upset that I missed this trade. Oh my god. This trade was perfect. But I had it, but I honestly like I'm not too upset, but I had this trade mapped out since yesterday, which is crazy to think about. But it's all good though. It's all good. I missed it. I'm definitely not gonna chase this price action here. Oh, oh yeah, I'm about to put my hand in a dog kennel. I'm gonna put my hand in a dog kennel just for it to get bit. No, I'm not touching this. I'm not touching this at all. I just oh my god, this setup was immaculate. Oh, that's tough. Yeah, not with ES going crazy. Yeah, Apple hit supply for me too, but I'm not. I'm there's no way I'm shorting this market. Like the only way I'm shorting the market is if we come back down, we get below the all time the we get below all time highs, we get below the sellers, and we get below this box. It's the only way I'm selling. It's the only way I'm selling this market. Other than that, this market is bullish, and oh, I know. I was just looking at it. I was just looking at it. Yeah, no, I'm not touching this. I mean, Apple's starting to sell off, but I don't. I could care less. I could care less. But the thing is, this rally was really nice because it was supported by all the other stocks too. Like as we got going. So I mean, we could still I mean, the break and retest is definitely still possible. It's still there for me, but I don't know. It's just yeah. I mean, I'll like I said, the only thing I'm doing at this point is I'm getting in on a break and retest. The shorts are completely out for me. I will not, I will not, I will not, I will not, and I'm gonna say it again. I will not be pressing that red button. That red button is gonna equal a red account today, in my opinion. Right? Like you can do it. You can make money. I mean, you could have shorted it right now and made some money, but forget all that. It's not worth it. It's not worth the risk. It's not worth being uncomfortable. Like I'm not shorting this market. Like I'm not doing it. I refuse. I refuse. So, but I do think Hobbs. I do think I'm gonna get Sierra chart this weekend. They offer like a 2-week free trial, and I want to try it out for 2 weeks just to see. So it's 2 weeks for free. So why not? Yeah. Well, I don't have any shame. I don't. But I want to try out the footprint. I want to try out the footprint chart next week. So, hmm I mean they're not. I mean they're included in their platform, but yeah. You don't got to pay extra for it. Nah, you can turn it off. You're fine. You're good. Uh, look, John said so. John said so. What did you just learn? I learned that I'm not short in this market. I learned that. Not that I tried or anything. Not the biggest thing. The biggest thing I could take away is that yesterday I spotted this level on the tape. I told y'all before the day was up that I thought this level could get retested and I would get long off this level. It's just hard for me to read it. It's just hard for me to trust in the first opening bells, and maybe I just need to get over that because clearly it worked out. But what makes me even, I mean, it doesn't really make me even more upset, but I learned a little bit more information about what happened on this NFP run up, and this NFP run up would have validated my level even more. And actually, I might have been. I don't want to say I didn't take it and I didn't have the information, but I may have been a little bit more apt to want to take the long if I would have had the extra information that I didn't have that I just learned about, which sucks. It does, but I mean, it is what it is. Like, I honestly, I could have got the information if I wanted to. I should have. I mean, it's not top secret. I'm gonna load my book map. I'm gonna load my book map back an hour of data. I'm gonna start doing this on news days because this was, huh? I need to show you on bookmap. I can't do it if I don't show you on bookmap. Jesus Christ. Can you give me a second? I know, but I'm gonna show you. Jesus Christ. Good Lord. You see what they do? They be so All right. I'm not teasing y'all. Jesus Christ. So, it's not necessarily life change. It's just I didn't realize. So during the news, when we got the news pump at my level at 5-1 here, I'll show y'all on YouTube too, just so y'all can see. I mean, if you want to see the alpha that y'all are all clamoring for, it's not life changing. It was just another piece of the puzzle that would have helped me take the long. I would have been way more confident in the level had I had this information. So at 51.65 after the news, when we came back down, when we retested it, massive buying stepped in. There was 4,642 buyers stepped into the market. That's institutional money. And then again on ES. I mean, this wouldn't have worked on NQ, but it might have. I don't know. I guess I can go back and look. But again, at 51.68, 2,178 buyers stepped into the market at these two levels. And then when we came back down and we retested this level, as soon as I saw this hold, even on the retest of the level, the second hold, I should have been looking for longs here because of the fact that these buyers were basically defending their position from NFP. And I had the extra added context that this level was key yesterday because it was strong resistance where there was a big buyer that got filled. And then when we came back, we held it. And then, like I was saying, overnight, we were kind of playing at this level. Had I known that these large buyers were here in the morning, I may have been more willing to put the risk on the table earlier, knowing that they were protecting their position and wanting to run the high. That's all. I just didn't know that. I just didn't have this information, and this extra information would have made me feel a little bit more comfortable putting the trade on. So. Yeah. Yeah, that was unfortunate today. Yeah. 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 Definitely definitely a very huge miss, unfortunately. But you know, oh yeah, I'm not tripping. Like I said, the only way I get long now is on a break and retest. But that context was very very key. So it is what it is, though. Yeah, now it's like we're just consolidating. John said I have to get bookmap. Yeah, I like bookmap. I do think though I am gonna try out Sierra charts for 2 weeks just because it's a free trial. Why not? But all right, bro. Peace. But funny enough, I completely forgot that you can go back on bookmap and reload the data from the past hour. That's something that's something I'm definitely gonna start doing on news days like this. That's something I definitely need to do. If I'm not gonna be here for the news, I need to have that data because that data can be key. So yeah, no problem, John. Yeah, yeah. Once that got brought to my attention, I was like, oh my god, I had this trade sewed up and I missed it, and it was just this extra added little piece of context that I needed to get long because I already knew that that was an area where I could get long. I just didn't have the whole picture, so I hesitated a little bit. And who knows? Maybe I would have. I probably wouldn't hesitate. I'm not gonna lie. Having this, I would have been like, oh no, we're holding this. I've seen this level be tested, reclaimed, tested again, and we reclaimed it again. Now I'm getting long, but it is what it is. It's all good. It's all good because now the only thing I have left to do is breaking the break and the retest. So we'll see if I can. Oh, it's all good. It's all good in these markets. What? I thought the last. Nah, it was nah, it was we're bullish. We're bullish. I'm on my bullish. You don't think that? You think that's bad? I'm on my bullish. What? You come on, man. Come on. No, bullish. I'm on my bullish because being bullish. Yeah, no, but it's wait. Wait. Hold up. I got 20 people watching on YouTube. I got 25 on X and another 6 on my X. Just let me ask y'all a question because Discord in my ear. They're giving me crap right now. If I made a hoodie and it said I'm on my bullish, right? And you got like a bull with like a chart on there. Would you buy it? Like, would that be? Can y'all see the vision? Can y'all see like? I feel like that's fire. Like I'm on my bullish, maybe like some money with the chart, and it's like the chart is going up. You know what I'm saying? Like yeah. Would y'all think that's fire? Like would y'all wear it? Like let me know. They're saying they're saying it's not dope. They're saying it's a horrible idea. But I think it's fire. Like I see the vision. I think I will wear it. I'll get one. I'm not touching this market short. This is a retracement to go long. Yeah, I'll go back to my chart. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Think about it this way. At least I'm watching this on the 5 minute, and this low on NQ, this low brought in this high, brought in this low, brought in this high. This is only the second swing. This is the pullback of the second swing. And if the market normally goes for 5 swings, this is number 2 on the 5 minute of the potential 5 swings it's going to go up, right? So for me, I would be, well, but this is perfect because what you want to see is you want to see strong selling coming in and people expecting us to go lower and those people being trapped only to go higher, right? So that's what I'm waiting on. I'm waiting to see if we come back, retest down here to get long. If that doesn't happen, if we continue to move up off of this little consolidation we're getting right here, that's fine. I just won't touch. I just won't trade today. I missed my trade. I missed my setup, and this is the only other setup I have, and I don't want to force anything else. Bravo Jones says, yeah, I can dig it because I really stay on my bullish. See, Bravo Jones gets it. Bravo Jones understands. Nobody else has commented but Bravo Jones. Bravo Jones is on my side with being on his bullish. Like he stays on his bullish. You know what I'm saying? Like, y'all, I don't understand why y'all don't think that's a good shirt or / merch. Like, I think that's fire. None of y'all trade it. It's trademarked already. It's not, but it's trademarked in my head. So next thing I know, somebody gonna come out, yeah, man, I'm on my bullish, and it's gonna go crazy. I'm gonna be really mad. I'm gonna be really mad that y'all stole it. Somebody in here already working on the design right now. Somebody already on it, like, yeah, he right. That is a fire ass shirt. That's a fire ass hoodie. I'm about to sell the hell out of this. Be like, yeah, all right, took my idea. It's like, you weren't fast enough. You gave it out to the public domain. You should have been quiet. Like, yeah, I probably should have. You right. I don't care. I still think it's fire. Yeah, I'm with you. I'm waiting on a retest. There's nothing for me to do. That's the only other thing that I can really do is wait on the retest. There's nothing on the tape really jumping out at me. As far as like Delta goes or like any buyers or sellers off size, really nothing. So I just want to see the selling end up failing, but I need to see it come down lower. I want to see a swing into previous all-time high. Probably in between previous all-time high and this trend line that we broke above. One of these two is what I would like to see. So if that coincides with 5181 where we have some orders, have some passive liquidity sitting there, then that's fine by me as well. It doesn't matter which one. Oops. I think I'm gonna get I should try to get a discount code for bookmap. I don't know if they have discount codes. Yeah, I think I should see if I can try to get a discount code through bookmap. But yeah, I think Sierra Chart's a little bit cheaper than bookmap. You can actually make bookmap on Sierra, but it's just not as good. Like it doesn't look close to being as good as what bookmap looks like. But I do, yeah. The footprint chart is beautiful. Let me show y'all the footprint. Oh my god, I was like, wow. I mean, you could, but the same thing I showed y'all on bookmap is the same thing you see. It's just, I don't know. There's something about it, like from a visual standpoint, that just I just can read it way better. Yeah, I mean, yeah. This is the image right here. So this is, yeah. So this was the same thing that we saw that I mentioned. The 1438 buying, 378 buying there, and that was, I mean, you can see it. It was right at my level, right at 5165, and then again, more buyers stepped in at 5168. Right, so right at the level that I called is where that buying came in, and then also you can see the lack of selling at the low as well. So it was like lack of selling at the low here, lack of selling at the low there when we pushed up and made that higher low. Lack of selling at the low again, strong buying. So yeah, I understand how to read a book map or a footprint chart. It's really not that hard, in my opinion. Actually, I think the learning curve for reading Sierra chart and reading a footprint is actually easier, in my opinion, than learning how to read bookmap. To be completely honest, I think it's easier. Yeah, Michelle. It is interesting. It's really simple. I'll show you guys on YouTube too, just in case you guys are curious about what I'm talking about. Umar. Yeah. So again, I showed you guys on bookmap, but you can see it on the footprint chart too. So this is a footprint chart. It's a delta footprint chart. So when I was showing the delta, this is what this number is right here. So you can see there was 1,436 buyers here, 233 again came in, and then 3,751 came in. And that's the total delta at that level, 51,310, right at that 5165 level that I called out in my pre-market plan, right? And then again, that same level, 3 points above, had 3,728 buyers right here as well, right? So when you see that, this level becomes important now because you can factor in the buyers here, right? Like, you know that buyers had an interest here. So if price comes back down to test this level, then you want to see buyers defend, right? You don't want to see them give it up because, I mean, you're talking about millions of dollars in orders right here, right? That they could potentially be losing or gaining, right? So then when price came back down into this area, they were in a little bit of drawdown, but they bought it right back up and they defended the level. And so this was why this extra context was really important, because my level was already important, like from the other day, but this made it super extra important. Like, this would have been like, oh, okay, I really need to be paying attention to what they do at this level, right? And then the other thing I was explaining is at these lows, when you see like a lack of selling, that could indicate a potential reversal. So we got like lack of selling here, -4, or there's 4 sellers down here. There was 81 sellers down here. There was 106 sellers down here. 61, 5. Like, when you see these low numbers at the low and then the market starts to push up, that just means that sellers are exhausted down here. There's very little selling going on. The market rallied, and you kind of got I don't have a picture of it, but you kind of got the same thing at open as well, where at that low there wasn't as much selling, and then the buying started to take over. So I could have taken a long, speculating that we were going to continue going up. Again, I just didn't have this part of the picture, so I was just missing part of the picture there. It's unfortunate, but again, it just gives me more it just gives me more confidence. Like, at the end of the day, it's one reason why I'm not really tripping about this at all. Like, now we're coming back down, but yeah, I'm not tripping one bit. Like, normally I'd be really upset that I missed the trade, but I mean, it's one trade. Like, it is what it is. Whatever. It's all good. It's all good. Right, Jonah? It's all good. Since y'all seem to like that. It's all good, though. It's all good, though. It's all good. I ain't tripping. even though I'm tripping slightly, even though I'm a little upset right now. deep down, I'm really upset, but I'm all good. It's all good. The thing is, like, I know. I'd be saying it's all good, and then be like, all right, I'm short right now. I'm short. It's all good though, but I'm short. Nah, I'm actually not short. It's all good. It's all good. I'll wait and see what happens. We're consolidating. We're losing some steam down here. We'll see if we can't. Can't sell off, but I mean, it Nvidia's still pumping. Apple is pumping. Amazon and Microsoft are consolidating. Yeah, they're. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I mean, but also, I mean, we just broke above all time highs, so it makes sense that we're chopping as people are probably loading up into positions, selling out of positions, you know, trying to figure out what they want to do next. Huh? Oh, you're talking to your daughter, like your wife. All right, we're starting to get some strong selling coming in now, so it looks like we're coming back down. We spent a lot of time up here though at these highs, so I'm curious to see what we do if we defend and come back up, or if we reject this price and come down. A lot of strong selling right now, so let's see what we get out this level. If we get what I'm looking for, then I'll look to long the market. The good thing is that we built I'm still showing. Yeah. The good thing is that we built this consolidation here. So I expect this to act as some type of support, or like prior supply sometimes will act as a demand once it's broken. So we'll see if that happens. I don't know on NQ. Yeah, we built the same kind of deal on NQ, and NQ's coming down a little faster. Yeah, I mean, this is strong selling that's hitting the market right now. Well, yeah. I mean, if I get confirmation, I'm longing this. 401 just hit the tape right there. 401 sellers just hit the tape. That's what I like to see, especially at the low. Yep. Oh, and they're buying this right back up. Yeah, it's dropping. Strong buying coming in right now. Yeah, y'all stop right at that all-time high break. Y'all stopping right up, and here comes strong buying coming in. I don't think you missed it. You just put some bid underneath us as well. Yeah, this. Yeah, I really like at 41.82. We had really strong selling that just got ate up, and that wasn't a bid being filled either. That was a real seller. Looks like we're still trying to come down though. Trading ES, but I mean, ES and NQ are doing the exact same thing right now. They're doing the exact same thing. The baby boomers. You're dumb. 236 lots just hit the bid right there. Still waiting. Just kind of consolidating at this low. Waiting to see if we can't trap some more sellers. Can we trap some more sellers, or are we going to continue to sell? $500 points? Oh, maybe.
Yeah, this is a nice flush going on right now. Again, not a ton of interest at these lows. I'm not sure. A lot of selling hitting this book right now. A lot of selling. Another strong buyer. We just swept that low right there. Immediately got bought back up. There's more strong selling right there. Yeah, I just got long. I caught that long as soon as the buying started. I got long at 51.84. As soon as I started seeing that buying come in, I was like, I'm in there. I don't even have to stop. Oh my god, this thing took off. Oh, I got in right as the buying. Oh my god, bro. There was a mean CVD divergence that just hit the market right there, like mean CVD divergence. Oh my god! And as soon as I saw the buying, I was like, "Yeah, I'm not hesitating. I'm in." All right, I'm already up. I'm already up 4 points on this trade. That was the fastest 4 points I think I've ever been up in my life. I just need to see this continue now. Oh my god, this market is about to send too. Let me see. Let me look at the book and let me see where I think the market's gonna go here. I don't want to see this fail, but we'll see. That was a lot of strong buying that came in all at once. They just put a bid below me too, which I like, but we'll see. The trade's not over with yet. Either way, that entry was dynamic. I'll take it. We're probably gonna come back down one more time before potentially heading back up. But 9.7 has a lot of orders sitting there, but I think we're gonna break all of this. I'm gonna try to hold for 200. I think that's, let's see. So let's see where I got in at right now. Oh, I got in at 84.75 was my entry. 84.75. I'm risking the low because I don't need to risk much more. So I'm risking about 3.5 points here. And okay, 200. I want to see if we can't make it to 200. I'm gonna go for 15 on this. I'm gonna go for 15. All right, yeah. So I'm going for a 15-point move. All right, yeah. So I'm in now. Nothing I can do. Once I get up about 8 points, I'll go to break even. Hobbs coming out of nowhere. Potential break of all time high. Potential break and retest. Yep, it was. Let's go. Shot family up next. Yeah. We'll see what happens. I got in long. I got a really good entry, so I'm just gonna let this play out and see what happens. You know, we'll see. They put a nice bid below. We'll see. Buying continues. I don't know. Can't do nothing now. So it's a good trade, good entry. I like everything that I saw. So we'll see. I think the market at least wants to get up to 97.50. So he said, "Oh, should I?" Oh man. Let me see what NQ doing. Oh. Yeah, I'm cool with my profit. If it hits, I'm cool with my target. I don't need that. I just wanna stay consistent with what I'm doing. I will look on adding later. I want to collect some more data about how far my trades are going and kind of like the makeup of everything before I start to add. But we're looking valid right. Oh, that's a strong break. That's a strong breakthrough right there. Yeah, they come in right back down. Oh. Yeah. I'm hoping, hopefully, I mean, this shouldn't come back down to my entry, but if it does, it gets stopped out, then we're probably coming lower. Oh yeah, this got me too. Yeah, there it goes. It got me. It got me, but I'll look to re-enter potentially. Yeah, they got me too. They got me too. Yeah, I'm not done trying to long this, but yeah, they got me too. They got me too. All right, so I got stopped out minus 3.5 points. Oh yeah, that's the retest of my trend line right there. We broke below. Still looking good to the bullish side. Still looking very good for bulls. Yeah, I'm waiting to see. I still like what I'm seeing here. I still like what I'm seeing. Seeing kind of a lack of selling down here at these lows. Buying starting to increase. All right. I'll give it the. Yeah, I'm in long again as well. We ran that low one more time, retested that trend line. So we'll see. There we go. Sucks that like barely get ticked out, but and this is a shout out to Hobbs for saying always have a plan when you get stopped out, because that idea was not the long idea was not dead for sure. This long idea was not dead at all. It's definitely still alive. So I got back in at 84.50, which we're not out of the water, but the bulls are clearly still trying to control the market. So we'll see. Yeah. Yeah, I'm going for 15 points. Oh yeah, they're coming back down again. See if they can hold this. It's a lot of selling right there. It's a nice little defense. Yeah, we're still defending these lows. There we go. Nice little push up. Could have added right there, but I don't want to add what I'm losing in the trade. And that the order flow was really nice right there as well. We came down on aggressive selling, but we couldn't break the low. We're coming down again, but again on these 5-minute candles looking really nice. We may come back down one more time and kind of put in this inverse head and shoulders on the 5. So I'm just hoping we don't break the low. Yeah, we're looking really good. Let's see. Trying to spot a Q here. Got some really strong selling still coming in right now. What up? Yeah. Let's see if we're gonna push above here. I went ahead and I added another contract off of that selling. So we'll see if we put it. Yeah. After we came back down, yeah, I added a contract off the double bottom. Yeah. So we'll see. If I lose on this trade, then I'll just shut down this account and be done. It's fine. Yeah. This is my new average position right here. I move my risk down, so I'm only risking basically this low. Yep, I'm only risking this low right here now. So stoic, yeah. 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 Let me go ahead and delete. Yep. Yep. And I'm going for my target's 5,200. So see if we can get there. That's 15 points. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Here comes some strong buying coming to the market now. Hopefully we can get this strong buying up out of here, and I can go ahead and go to break even. I'm only up about 3 points right now, but this is looking really bullish. I love when the 5 minute does stuff like this. This is a very bullish. This past 15 minutes is a super bullish. I mean, look at this wick. Look at this 5 minute. Look at this 15-minute candle. 15-minute candle is bullish as hell. My God. Just need to see the buyers. Up there it goes. Look at this 15. This 15-minute candle. And Joan out here talking about I should have shorted the market. He crazy. He's a crazy one. Oh, let's oh, y'all got problems, man. Y'all got issues. Y'all got issues. Y'all got issues, man. Y'all got problems. It's so weird not being able to hear any music. I ain't gonna lie. We got 66 people in the building. Appreciate all y'all for watching. All 22 of y'all on YouTube. All 36 on Hobbs's X, and you know I'm pulling in 8, so I'm pulling in my weight on X as well. Nah, I know. I know. Yeah. Yeah. Facts. Yeah, I gotta. Oh, facts. Peace. Yeah, this Apex video killing the game. I think the next video I'm gonna make is a take profit video and make a video review and take profit. This trade is not playing out as quickly as I would like it to, but I do not want to go to break even just yet. I want to give it some room. If we can close above on the 5 minute, this high right here though, at 51.87, I think I'll be pretty okay because we just put in that low. So I would like to see us close above the high on the 5 minute. We got about 2 minutes, so we'll see. And then I think let's check the 15 real fast. Yeah, the 15 minutes got 2 minutes as well. So hopefully we can close above and we'll be good to go. This 15-minute candle looks very, very bullish, which is good. I'm just hoping we don't do one of those things where we look bullish, we come back down and we sweep it and then come back up. Like I just want to see us continue to go. So we'll see what happens. But this is my trade right now so far. Yeah. Now I don't blame you for sure. But yeah, I don't know. I should probably be okay with accepting a full loss. I mean, it's only $250 or $275. Or yeah, it's $250. Like I should probably just accept this. I'm risking 2.5 points. Like if I'm wrong, then whatever. We'll see. We got a minute left in this candle. Minute and a half left. But I do like we're defending. Here comes some strong buying up out of here. So just going for a 15-point move. Definitely will be happy with that. Definitely will be happy with the ad as well. Yeah. I'm with you. Like as long as we hold above 51.87.50, like I'm chilling. Like I'm good. Like we just got to hold above this level. We hold above here. I think we'll be just fine. If we reject this level, then I think we'll have some problems. But we got about 42 seconds left in this candle, so we'll see. Starting to get some selling. Not liking this 5-minute candle at all. Ooh, yeah. Of course, the last 30 seconds, the last 30 seconds of the candle, and they have to give it up. Like they have to let the sellers just be like, yeah, so we're gonna sell this off on you. See, last 5 seconds. See if they can bring this up and at least make it some type of doji. All right, they made it kind of a doji. We'll see. Oh, whatever. What's gonna happen is gonna happen. Looks like a doji candle, but we're coming back down now. So we couldn't close above. Not the greatest, but the 15-minute candle still looks great. If you look at the 15. This 15-minute candle, even though it didn't close green, it closed with this long upper wick. But every single one of these 15-minute candles has been closing with longer upper wicks. So we'll see. We're back at my entry now. So, you know, maybe I take a loss on this. If that's the case, you know, is what it is. Yeah, this selling is getting aggressive. The tape is speeding up to the downside. Oh. Yeah, it's coming for me as well. Am I gonna be able to survive? Oh my god, y'all. That was a tick away from my entry, but I'm not safe though. Like it's coming right back down. Oh, yep, it's coming to get me. Come on. Yep, there it goes. It got me. All right. Well, that's 2 losses. Same area. I'm not gonna trade this again. If it comes back and it ends up working out, then it ends up working out. But it's gonna do it without me. I'm not gonna FOMO into this. Yeah, we were holding that area strong. It's just, yeah, it just we couldn't get any continuation there. So yeah, I'm out. I'm closing that one account down. That's 2 losses. I'm not gonna keep trading. But it just, I mean, again, we come back down. We're coming down back lower. They're just trying to accumulate orders in this area. So it's still looking good, but maybe we come back down lower. I'm just mistiming this. All right, here comes some aggressive selling again. Yeah. Oh yeah, y'all fell below. ES hasn't though. ES is still above all. Well, ES is still above all-time highs. Yeah. Yeah, this is coming down pretty aggressively. Whew, we just swept. Yeah, we just swept with some strong selling. Oh yeah, NQ's already at it. Jesus, NQ's already at its lows. ES is about halfway. I wonder though. Let me draw this box from here to here. We just tapped off of VWAP too. Oops, here. It's a 50% of this. Oh no, I still got a ways to go. So we just tapped off of VWAP. Some really strong buying is coming in right now. That was a candle. Yeah, that was a candle.
Oh man, I don't know why I be getting such horrible headaches. Yeah, we're still coming. We're still coming down, 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 down. I wasn't even drinking an energy drink. I can't live without my energy drinks. Actually, energy drinks mask headaches. I don't know if they do. They give headaches. Yeah. No, I don't know. I need them. I need them to survive. Normally, I have them every day, like one a day, but I didn't drink one today. But my head is killing me. I get headaches every day though, around this time. But this one seems to be worse. You know. I feel you though, but I don't know if it's a habit I'm ever gonna kick. I've tried black coffee. I can't do it. It's so gross. Yeah, I tried. I tried. Best believe that. I gave it a go. Here comes some more. Here comes some strong buying coming up out of here. Let's see. Let's see if I tap the 50% of this 5 minute. Oops. I'll just leave this up here just to see what happens. No, we didn't tap 50%. Oh my God. Let's check these comments. See what y'all talking about. Nothing. Let's see what we do. Yeah, it was just a lot of strong selling right there. This volatility really picked up on ES too. I'm sure NQ is going nuts because ES's volatility is really ramping up. Probably, yeah, we're gonna come down lower. We're not done selling yet. We're not done selling just yet. There we go. Come on down. Oh, that was a good short. Yeah, if I was trying to scalp based off of the tape, that would have been bad. Seeing what I see now, it was a little bit after the fact, but it's all good. Jenna, was that your order filled? You can borrow it if you want to. It's a free word. I'm still looking for longs. Yeah, I'm just waiting to see if some more buyers can, or some more sellers can get trapped. Trying to short late. No, I'm not. It's not yet. It's not time yet. No, it's not time yet. No. Yeah, no, it's not time to it's not time yet. What I'm waiting on is I'm waiting on this level to be retested at 5165. You're about to start selling here again, more than likely, which I'm cool with. Continue to sell off. There'll be 1,000 more trades of the century. It's gonna be patient right here. Wait for 5165 to be retested. All right, bro. Yeah, it's still up. What up, Kayla? This man said good morning and goodbye. Nah, he was already leaving. He already said he was out. See, it's back to the low of day. Yeah, it is back to the low of day. That's why I'm looking for longs. I don't think she heard you. Oh, that's Bud. Jayhawk said the same thing. There's a lot of selling. There's a lot of selling going on that last little pullback that we just got. I just want to see one more kind of dump, but it looks like they're defending. It's like they defended a little bit earlier. I should have looked between 6.8 and 6.5. My box between 6.8. It's the feds. Dirty. No. I mean, it doesn't matter. Like I'm still trading the old contract. You can trade the new contract. It doesn't matter which one you trade.
Yeah, that's because nobody was trading the new contract. That's why everybody's still trading the old one. That's why it was weird. All right, that's the first sign of buying. That 5-minute candle's nice. Let's see if we pull back down, because that was really aggressive. These last two candles were really aggressive selling candles. This first little sign of buying. Now let's see if we can hold. See if we can dip back down and hold. I'm looking for us to hold 6.825 to like. I'm looking at us to hold this box right here on a retest. I'll look take the market long. Damn, the context is so key. That's what I probably should have waited on. Yeah, this selling is really strong. Just want to see if we get some aggressive buying up out of here. Yeah, there's a ton of selling. What the hell did my tape just do? I just want to see these guys try to defend their level. There's a lot of selling going on. CVD will diverge like crazy, which is just an extra added confluence for me. Still tons of selling though. Coming back down to that level. See if they defend 6.8. All right, let's see if they defend here. Yeah, I still don't see a reason to take this long just yet. Other than the massive amount of selling that we're getting right now. We're still going lower. They put this guy at 6.5 underwater. This could be a problem. All right, we just broke that low right there. Just want to see us defend. Ooh. More selling coming in. More selling. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, this guy at 6.5 is in trouble.
Hmm. Ooh, big seller just came in. They're really trying to stop the buying. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That seller might be in some trouble. That seller might be in trouble. Uh-oh. That seller's gonna have to capitulate. That seller's gonna have to capitulate. Uh-oh. He's got to get back. He's got to get back into profit. All right. Yo, this market's volatility's got nuts. Uh-oh. 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 Let's see what happens. Strong buying coming in now. If we get back above, if the buyers can take control back above 73.25, I think Valdez was looking at 42, then this market's gonna come right back up. But it's interesting though, because NQ and ES are in two different spots, right? Well, I guess not really, because even though y'all broke the one low, you haven't broken the. Oh no, you did close below the main low. Yeah, I don't know. I just know on ES this seller, that seller that came in randomly, he could potentially push the market back up. Mm-hmm. Yeah, this market, ES is getting very volatile right now. Yeah, these sellers they're not playing around right now. Yeah, we're back in that we're back at that key level for me. So right now we're defending, but it looks like they're gonna give it up. As long as we're above 5165, then we're good. But the question is did that guy sell? Yeah. Yeah, this sell off is true. We have not been able we just haven't been able to flip.
All right, new 5-minute candle there. Dang, this volatility has gotten nuts. More buying coming in at that level. I'm trying to long right there. We just got above. We're pushing up with strong buying. I got a CVD divergence. I'm trying to long. I like the fact that we're oh, I'm in the wrong account. Dang it. I meant to be in this account. All right, I'll be patient and wait for a second. I definitely got in the wrong account right there. That's unfortunate. Maybe it was fortunate. But we are rejecting. See if we put in a higher low here. Yeah, nah. These bears are just, they're just too strong. Dang, this is the amount of selling going on down here. Yeah, we're coming down. Basically just retested and failed. Failed that guy failed to hold his position right there. This market's coming down because now he's gonna. I mean, he probably already is out, honestly. But I think we might come down to 41 or 51.41. Sorry. On the account that I meant to trade, I'm in short. I took a short as soon as we failed to get back above that level. I got short because I think they're gonna give back all of this now, back down into 51.41. I think we're going all the way down there. This selling is just, it's really strong. Where Bravo Jones is probably screaming, oh, he said he's back at lower. I think we're going lower than that. Yeah, the selling's picking up even more. There's like no there's no follow through by these buyers. Oh man, look at that. Look at that pop. Jesus. Yeah, and then another failure, and now we're going lower. Mm. Well, looks like Jonah was right. All right, I'm about to be up 8 points, so I'm gonna go ahead and go to break even. So this trade can no longer go red on me. This market is coming down. We got a good amount of orders at 51. 51.47 has like a good amount of orders. And then after 51.47, 35's got a good amount of orders as well. Jesus Christ, this market is dumping. All right, this is kind of where this is where the NFP news hit. So hopefully we don't get a bounce here. Hopefully we can. I mean, we're getting a slight bounce, but looking for the selling to continue. Could get a little bit of a retracement back to the upside here, though. But every retracement has failed so far, so let's see what happens. We got a minute 31 left in this candle. It's like buyers are starting to kind of try to buy this back up. Man, my phone going crazy right now. Check on the stocks, see what the stocks are doing. Oh, Apple's still ripping though. Apple is ripping right now. Nvidia's selling off. Amazon's selling off. Microsoft is starting to recover a bit, but Apple's taking off right now. Apple's been ripping this entire time. Apple hasn't stopped moving. And this 5-minute candle is looking real shaky right now. That's a shaky candle to the upside. Oh, well, that makes sense. Great. So NQ is in demand right now. So I might get stopped out of my trade, which is really unfortunate. Yeah, NQ just hit demand and got a nasty bounce off demand. And ES just got a nasty upside candle as well. This is like this could be the reversal coming up. Man, super unfortunate. Wow. Well, my level played out really nicely on NQ. I just don't have demand down here on ES. It was a little bit lower. But ES still over here looking just like NQ. The way these bubbles are moving and the volatility. Good Lord. Here comes ES coming right back down. But with all that buying we just got, I expect this to just be a pullback, potentially start a new uptrend. Because NQ didn't really break below major structure, and neither did ES for that matter. No, I just took the break even. Yeah. Yeah. I was hoping we were gonna get down lower. Yeah, ES just ripped. Looks like a double bottom, yeah. Might blast off, bounce off low day. Yeah, this was crazy. Yeah, really nice inverse head and shoulders on the really nice inverse head and shoulders on the 5 minute. That was weird though. We just got a 1,000 lot buyer that just hit the tape right there. That's not good for him. Yeah. 1,000 lots and he got completely put underwater immediately. Let's see what happens. He's down right now. He's down like 2 points. That's a big seller that just came in right there. Another big, large buyer. All right, yeah. Based off of all the buying, I'm trying to long. I'm getting long at 162. based off of all the large buying that I just saw. That large buyer came in, we swept, but then there's like more really strong buying. So yeah, for this trade to make sense though, I'm looking for us to go all the way back up to the high of the day. It's probably gonna be my last trade. Oh, we just swept. Uh-oh. But with NQ being in demand, oh yeah, I might not be able to stand this pullback though. That buyer's got to defend. I'm just gonna put my stop at the low of this. This buyer's got to defend. If he doesn't and he gets put underwater, then this market's going to it's gonna tumble. So let's see here. I got long up here. Yeah, this is not looking too good. I'm risking like 5 points. Yeah, he's not defending. Wait. How did I get stopped out? My thing was at the low. What? Okay, whatever. It stopped me out prematurely. That's great. I'll look for a re-entry. I still think this thing can go. I can look for a better entry off this pullback, but yeah, I was about to say it stopped me out early. I didn't even whatever. All right, I'm back in long. A little bit better of an entry that time, but oh my god, this selling comes right back. Is it 12? Yeah, because big liars and sellers are coming into the market here. But this time I only have to risk 4 points, so a little bit better of an entry. I got in at 60. I got in at 60.50. Got it right there. Risking the low. Yes, I'm risking 4 points. I don't know how I ended up I don't know how I ended up getting stopped out of that initial trade, because I definitely was risking like a lot more, but whatever. Yeah, we're still just not. I don't know. We're just consolidating down here. So we'll see. My target's gonna be back up to the all-time high though. One 51.90 50. All right, we'll see what happens. Yeah, I mean, we're just consolidating right now. To be honest, if I really wanted to be safe, my stop should probably be at the actual low, but Yeah, there's just a ton of buying at this level. Oh my god. Oh, this thing's gonna sweep me out. Okay, I'm done. I continue to get swept out. I'm done, you guys. All right, YouTube. It's been real. I cannot time this market to save my life right now. I'm gonna get out of here. I have a headache on top of that, so I'm not feeling the greatest. But good luck on your trade. Stay safe. The market's getting pretty volatile on today, being Friday, and contract changing over. So yeah, just be careful out here. But I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.